بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Lesson number 2. Today we are going to learn the alphabets Jeem, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra and Za. So let's start. The letter name is Jeem. It has one dot inside it. Jeem has a long light sound. It is pronounced from the middle of the tongue and roof of the top of mouth. So you can read after me. Jeem, Jeem. Read once again. Jeem. Right? The letter name is Ha. Ha is dotless. Ha, Jeem and Ha have a similar shape. Ha is a light sound letter. It is pronounced from the middle of the throat. So read after me. Ha, Ha. Read once again. Ha. The letter name is Ha. It has a dot on its top. Ha, Jeem and Ha have a similar shape. Ha has a bold or heavy sound. Ha is pronounced from the top of the throat. So read after me. Ha, Ha. Read once again. Ha. Right? The letter name is Dal. Dal is dotless. Dal and Zal have a similar shape. Dal is a light sound letter. It is pronounced when the tip of the tongue goes towards the root of the top front two teeth. So read after me. Dal, Dal. Read once again. Dal. Right? The letter name is Zal. Zal has a dot on its top. Zal shape is similar to Dal. Zal is a light sound letter. It is pronounced when the tip of the tongue comes out and touches the tip of the top front two teeth. Read after me. Zal, Zal. Read once again. Zal. Right? The letter name is Ra. Ra has no dot. Ra and Za have a similar shape. Ra is a heavy sound letter but sometimes light depending on the location. It is pronounced when the back part of the tongue touches the upper gums of the top front four teeth. So read after me. Ra, Ra. Read once again. Ra. The letter name is Za. Za has a dot on its top. Za shape is similar to Ra. Za is a light sound letter. It is pronounced when the tip of the tongue comes between the front top and bottom teeth. So read after me. Za, Za. Read once again. Za. Right? We hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Like, share it with others. Jazakallah. Thank you for watching. Take care yourself. Assalamu alaikum.